Hey everyone, today we're diving into a research paper that could totally change our relationship with AI. We're talking about moving beyond assistants that just follow commands to creating something much more, a true AI partner.
You know that feeling, right? You ask it to do something simple, and it takes you so literally that it completely misses the point. It's super frustrating, and it turns out there's a really specific reason for it, a reason this new research tackles head-on. For years, AI development has been stuck in what this paper calls the productivity trap. The entire focus has been on just one single thing that, yeah, it's important, but it's also the source of all our headaches. For the longest time, the only question that mattered was, did the AI do the thing? Did it complete the task? Check. But the researchers argue that this laser focus on just getting the job done is precisely what's been holding AI back. So here it is, the heart of the problem. We've built incredible tools that can follow instructions to the letter, but we haven't built partners that understand what we actually mean. This paper says that focusing on user-centered interaction is the critical missing piece. So, how do we fix this? How do we get out of the trap? This is where things get really cool. The researchers came up with a brilliant new framework. Instead of judging AI on just one thing, productivity, they say we need to think in 3 dimensions. And here they are, the 3 Ps. This is the big idea. A great AI agent doesn't just complete a task. It needs to be productive, proactive, and personalized. Let's quickly break down what each of those really means. First up, productivity. Look, this is still table stakes. The AI has to be able to actually do what you ask. That's the foundation. But, as we're about to see, it's just the starting line. Next is proactivity. And honestly, this is a total game changer. A proactive AI doesn't just blindly follow your command. It thinks ahead, it anticipates problems, and it asks smart questions to make sure it's doing the right thing, not just the thing you said. And finally, personalization. A true partner knows you. It learns your habits, it adapts to your needs, and it doesn't treat you like some generic user. This is the secret sauce that makes an AI feel like it's truly yours. Okay, so this 3 Ps framework sounds great in theory, but how on earth do you actually train an AI to think that way? Well, this is where the research gets really creative. They built some incredible custom tools to make it happen. Yeah, this team didn't just talk the talk. They actually built the tech to prove their point. The paper, and you can look it up with the number on your screen, created a brand new training environment and a new method to bring these 3 Ps to life. So here's their 1-2 punch. First, they built Userville. Think of it like a flight simulator for AI assistants. It's a virtual world filled with all kinds of simulated users, so the AI can practice interacting in a safe space. Then, they developed PPP, a new training method that rewards the AI for all 3 dimensions, not just for checking a box. So, with this new framework and these amazing tools, they put it all to the test. They gave their new agent some really complex jobs, like software engineering and deep research. The big question, of course, is, did it work? I mean, that's what it all comes down to, isn't it? After all this work, did training an AI on productivity, and personalization actually lead to a better AI? Oh yeah, a massive, resounding yes. The agents trained with this new method showed a huge 21.6-point average improvement over some really powerful state-of-the-art models. That's not just a little bump, it's a giant leap forward. It just goes to show how much we were leaving on the table by only focusing on productivity. And that number isn't just an abstract score. It translates into real-world skills. This new agent is better because it asks the right questions. It can adapt to new users it's never even met before. And, get this, it actually improves its own success rate by having a better conversation with you first. Okay, this is so much more than just a cool academic result. It really points toward a fundamental shift in how we're all going to interact with technology. Let's look at a really simple example to see what this actually means for us. This is pretty much the world we live in now, right? The AI hears a command, and it executes the command. It's productive, sure, task completed, but it has zero context, no awareness. It's just a tool. Now look at this. This is the proactive, personalized future. The AI knows your schedule, it understands that making a call right now might be a bad idea, and it asks a strategic question. It's not just following an order, it's working with you. And that right there is the whole story.
This research gives us a roadmap for how to elevate AI from being a passive tool that just follows orders to an active partner that helps us achieve our goals way more effectively.
So I'll leave you with this question. Imagine a world where your AI doesn't just do what you say, but understands what you mean. What kind of problems will you solve? What will you build? That's the future this research is helping to create. Thanks for joining me.